8.
8? Okay, naka-8 na pala kami. Sorry. Naka-8 na pala kami. So, minsan nga, ang usapan na namin is, paano natin iibahin to from the last? Kasi ang dami na namin nagawang love stories together. So, we're very conscious about how we work also. Teamwork siya. Pinag-uusapan namin anong ibibigay natin dito na hindi natin nabigay sa huling pelikula. So, yun it's hard work plus luck plus just genuine chemistry po siguro.
Every year po kasi na nag-work kami each other, syempre nagmamature kami, we become unpredictable every time to each other. Meron na nga parang tennis match na nga may competition na na parang, galing mo dun galing mo dito ganyan. So, kasi inaano namin pinupush namin yung isa't isa para sa, bago naman ipakita natin, paano kaya magiging vulnerable dito, paano ba uwiin dito, para maayos namin yung rhythm ng maayos.
Actually, nung last shooting day namin dalawa, may kinunan kami na scene na very heavy. Meron kaming ganun to each other, ano ibibigay mo dito? Tapos pagka-cut, sasabihin ni JC, maganda yung ginawa mo sa line na to Or ako, Caps, sobra ako na-apektuhan dito sa line na to. So, meron na kaming feedback din sa isa't isa. So, super helpful.
Ayun, ang follow-up ko, siyempre 8 years na itong bago kayo ginawa ko itong movie na to. May challenge pa ba sa inyo? Ano yung mga challenge na na-encounter nyo? At the same time, nawala ako. Yun. Tapos kay Kyle din, siyempre, ano yung challenge niya na makasama yung magaling na artista na sina Bella at kay JC?
Challenge? Ako na lumipas, ito lang nangyari sa kanya. So, dami namin ganun in between 2017 and today. So, yun po.
Kyle, yung challenge mo na nakasama yung dalawa?
I think pinaka-challenge lang in a whole para sa akin, para sa character ko po na to, was just to make sure na I get my story across, kung anong gustong ikwento ni Direct Jason through Clyde, while also being able to be a catalyst din sa kanilang dalawa, paano ikwento, paano ako naging konektado sa kwento ng dalawa. I think that was more of the challenge na talagang tinulungan naman po ako ni Direct Jason Paul. He gave me the trust and he really helped me build Clyde through each shooting day. So, as much as we were saying po kanina, nakaka-pressure po talaga yung project. Sa totoo lang, hindi po naging challenging because, yun nga, I'm surrounded by such a good team. And, good.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you po.
Thank you. That was Roldan Castro Fabanits and
Ikaw?
Yeah. Muntik na, oo. Nalaman ko lang kay JC din.
Almost.
Yeah, they almost replaced me.
Si Stella?
Yeah. It was supposed to be a different Stella. Yeah. Yun lang talaga yung text ko. Talaga po, hindi na po ako si Stella.
And the rest is history.
The rest is history. I'm Stella again.
Hinintay ka talaga ng project.
Oo, and yun nga, yung script po, ang daming versions muna. Hindi kasi namin alam anong gagawin sa present time. Like, I don't know kung nabanggit to ni Direct Jason Paul sa first press ko namin before, but Isang Daang Tula Para Kay Stella is loosely based on his college life. So it was very personal to him. So ngayon, what happens in the present time, hindi naman na sila nakikita ni Stella. So now everything is reimagined, everything is all in his head. So we had to wait for the right story.
Okay. JC,
I guess po, kung nangyari to even before, the years before, or 2019, or baka maging hilaw siya. So ang ganda na rin po siguro na naluto siya ng maayos at umabot ng 8 years para maging masarap.
Okay. Okay. Para kay next question ka for JC, may speech defect yung character mo dito. Ayun, paano mo inaral yung character na yon? And mas naiintindihan mo ba yung mga tao may ganong disability in playing this character?
Actually, ilalabas po namin sa pelikula na meron po talagang association or an institute, may speech defect. Nakasama ko po sila sa eksena at may isa po akong katabi doon na talagang meron siyang speech defect. And kamusta ka? Sabi niya, napanood mo ba yung unang pelikula nito? Sabi niya, Kuya, sabi niya, ito yung nagbigay ng confidence sa akin nung napanood ko to. Kaya ako nakakapagtrabaho ngayon. And sabi ko, sana naman, tama ba yung ginagawa ko? Kasi minsan po, I just keep doing it, na hindi ako baka insensitive na ako, gano'n. Then sir, lahat ng ginagawa niya nung panahon na yun, ako yun. At